it's Megan with WTI. If you're a fellow breakfast food enthusiast, then this Dash waffle maker could be the perfect addition to your kitchen. I have it in the little waffle design and I think it is so cute. All I have to do is plug it in, and when the light turns off, it's ready to go. I pour my waffle batter in and it makes these perfect size little individual waffles. Even though they recommend to spray the plate with cooking spray, I have found the nonstick surface to be great. I personally didn't really need cooking spray to get the waffles out of the iron. And I can easily make the waffles according to my own preference and my own level of doneness just by adjusting the cooking time. I like a more crispy exterior to my waffle, so I found 5 minutes to be the perfect time for me. The waffle comes out perfectly cooked. Crispy on the outside, soft on the inside, and totally delicious. I have found this adorable little waffle maker to be super easy to use, and it makes delicious waffles. And that's my point of view.